Dude, you don't have to whisper. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, where's Orange Juice? He's gone. No! Dude, Mustard, shut the fuck up. We gotta get him, dude. We gotta get him. Dude, shut the fuck up. Fuck you, man. Punk ass motherfucker. Hey, where's a whore? Ketchup? No, wow. Fuck you guys. How am I a whore? Don't you know? You go good on everything. Ah! Ha 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 ha. Someone's coming. Holy fucking shit. It is fucking warm out there. Oh my god! Orange juice! Oh, I missed you. Wow, dude. That, sounded pretty gay. Not gonna lie. I don't care. I love you. The fuck, dude? Back off.
How was it out there, man? How was it on the battlefield?
All I gotta say, dude, fucking crazy. Guy can't even get out of the fucking fridge anymore. Never. He drank me, man. Straight from the bottle, man. You don't know what it's like out there, dude. You don't know what it's like.
Mustard, calm down.
Orange Juice, calm down. It's alright. We're all friends here, dude. Just calm down. Everything will be... No! It won't be! I hate this life! Oh my god! I hate it, man! I hate it! Whoa, what? Did the light just turned on. Oh. Uh-oh. There's a... camera? There's a camera in here! Stop it! Stop it now! No! Camera! I'm naked! Stop the camera! I'm crying, dude! Why are you trying to take me? I'm crying! Oh my...